Rubble, what's the rush? We heard and we came as soon as we could. Yes, did you guys hear back from Sky? We haven't heard from Sky, but we do know that she left us some presents up there. Yeah, I think she left us some eggs to open. I'm excited to see. I think I hear the first one coming down. It's a pink egg. I'll carry it. It sure seems heavy. Here's another one. It's a purple egg. This one seems just as heavy as the pink one. It's a pink one. It's a yellow egg. I'll get it, Marshall, since it's yellow. Thanks, Rubble. That would help. This one seems awesome. Hey, it's a green one just like me. Here's another pink egg. I've got it. This one just likes to keep on rolling. A blue egg. That will do it. Another blue egg.